Hello, this is Jivan. Today I want to paint a scenery, again with quick sketching with palette knife. I'm going to paint our Armenian scenery, one place in a province, a medieval bridge with its surround and a nice rocky mountain and a river. So let's go, we start. Generally, the sceneries, I start with the sky. In my country, we are having many these type of medieval bridges. So many centuries back they made, because we have so many type of rivers and in our nature. So I'm working a bit quickly because first of all it's a sketch, quick sketch, and also to use my passion as much as possible because it comes very fast and goes fast. That's why I need to use it as much as possible. So I'm trying to put as many as possible colors, brighter colors, because the place is really very colorful, very picturesque. It's very nice. So generally I use black canvases because I like actually to start with on the black canvas. On the black canvas I feel more colors brighter. It gives more brighter, but of course white canvases are good as well. But myself I feel more brighter, the colors brighter on the black canvas. And I'm trying to put final touches more clear, more attractive. Okay, I think I stop here because as a quick sketch it's more than enough. So as I told in the beginning, I chose one of the medieval bridges in Armenia. So it became like a bit colorful, and the bridge in the nature on the river. That's all as a quick sketch. Thank you very much for watching. All the best.